Hi, thanks for coming to my bonus page for InstaSuite. Now, if you notice below, if you scroll down, you'll see all of our bonuses. We put our best bonus package ever on this page, and I think you're going to see there's quite a bit of value. We also put the bonuses that are given by the product owner, InstaSuite, and everybody else is promoting that part on their own bonuses pages, but I actually put my own on there. They're exclusive bonuses on my page only, and you will get that after purchasing through my links. Now, InstaSuite has a number of components, and let's go jump in and let me show you real quick. Okay, we're here in the dashboard now, and right away you're thrown into a tour which you can take, and it takes you through all the different components of the site so you know how to get around. We're going to skip that. I'm going to actually take you on the tour. But anyway, so the dashboard, you got all the components right here at the top, and then all those components are also available right here in the sidebar. And the integration pieces are right here. You can actually go into integrations and then add a new integration and pick out what, call it a name and then pick out what it is. Right now they're integrated with all these pieces. They're adding quite a few components later on. This is Charter Access, so this is the launch. So, they're gonna add a number of other different components, but they've already got quite a few in here already. You can see the PayPal, Stripe, and then they have the market affiliate networks. So it's got all the major ones, Zaxa and JVZoo and ClickBank and so on. And then autoresponders, they got a handful in here, pretty good amount. And my understanding is they're going to be adding some more. And then a few of the webinars, social, Facebook, Twitter, some third party for SMTP, Usign, and Pixelbay. And so you can kind of put all that in there. And then let's go back to the dashboard. And they've got the funnel builder. We're going to go through that in a second here. But you can build out a complete funnel. It's pretty neat. And then a little membership builder. You can build out a full membership site and set up your products, manage your members, get them in. You can also build out your blog, your website, where you can set up your posts, pages, and set your theme, your menu, and all that. Then list builder. This is the built-in autoresponder. You can set up your list, create your forms, send your messages. There's the dashboard and everything. Pretty cool little component. And then the affiliate center, so you can actually have somebody else promote your products. You can manage your affiliates, and you've got promotion tools in here, set the themes, some settings for it. And then there's the support desk. It's got a full support desk. It supports multiple agents and also has a knowledge base. You can set up themes, of course, manage your tickets, and you've got canned responses and all of that. So that's pretty much all of that. Now, I'm going to go through a couple of things here. I've been playing with it a little bit, and I really like this funnel builder. It's pretty clean. But let's just kind of go through this here. I'm going to go ahead and add a new one. We're not going to go through this whole thing, but I'll show you some of the main pieces. But you can choose an opt-in funnel, sales funnel, product launch, or a webinar. In this case, we're just going to pick a sales funnel, or actually let's just pick opt-in funnel. Hit next. And you got upsells and downsells after the opt-in. But we're going to hit next, and we're just going to give it a name, build funnel, and so right away you're presented with all the different components you picked from. So in this case we picked an upsell, a downsell, and a thank you page. So in the squeeze page, what we're going to want to do is actually we can actually publish the page right away, or we can actually pick out a template. So we're going to click this little button here, and these are the templates they have in the initial charter system. So let's look and see what we want to pick here. I think we'll just pick this one right here. So you can see it loads it up, and it's got split testing built in, so you can actually create a new variation. I like that a lot. And of course, you can what you see is what you get, so you can just click that and then start editing your text, and then change font style and that kind of thing. And then over here, if you want to, you can actually have different widgets. If you click this and you click this, there's like an animation delay. It's got so much, I'm not going to be able to show you all everything, so I'm just what I've poked in and kind of seen. This is what I've noticed. So we're going to say animation. We're going to have this thing, let's do a rubber band so it does that kind of thing. We could delay it for a little while, but I'm going to have it come in instantly. And so we'll just hit publish. And we're going to hit save and do a preview. So you can see there, you saw a little bounce there, but there's so much here. I'm not going to be able to show you everything, like I said, but you can do quite a bit with the system, and I just encourage you to
to go and check it out a little bit further. And let me get back on the screen here.
So you can see now that there's quite a bit of components to this package. It's not just a page builder. This thing has everything that you need to set up your business. So I encourage you to go jump down here, check out more on the product. This page does not show you everything. We did put quite a bit of effort into showing you everything as much as we could. But if you go down here and click the link and go check out the sales page and see the pricing that's on there, this is going to go to a $97 a month monthly. So you might want to, really check it out now before it does do that. So we'll talk to you guys later.